2, 3. They paint the walls with colors that you're not meant to notice. Beiges and browns and off-whites and grayscales, fluorescent lights that shine on the exhale ground. And now you're lying face down. You blend into the background of white noise. They fill the halls with tunes you can't get into your head. 4/4 and Dorian, Broden for ignoring it. So it sounds like a retro top 40 bud. You're not meant to sing along. It isn't that kind of song. It's white noise. But if you listen closely, I swear, oh man, I swear, you can hear the ocean if you hold it up to your ear. It's white noise. White I've only got like the first 2 verses of that song, so I haven't gotten to the bridge yet. That's another thing, so just practicing.